Surveys show that most men in the United States are interested in male contraceptives, yet options remain limited to unreliable condoms or invasive vasectomies. Before we dive into the latest research on male contraception, check out these essential products that can help with your reproductive health. The Trojan Condom Variety Pack offers reliable protection, and you can find it in the link in the description below. For those curious about their fertility, the YO Home Sperm Test is a convenient and private way to check your sperm count. Additionally, Nature's Bounty Zinc supplements support overall well-being and reproductive health. Now let's explore the exciting advancements in male contraception. Scientists at the Salk Institute have discovered a non-hormonal, reversible method to interrupt sperm production. The study, published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, on February 20, 2024, highlights a new protein complex involved in regulating gene expression during sperm production. Researchers found that HDAC, histone deacetylase inhibitors, can interrupt this protein complex, blocking fertility without affecting libido. Most experimental male birth control drugs use a hammer approach to blocking sperm production, but ours is much more subtle, says senior author Ronald Evans, professor and director of the Gene Expression Laboratory at Salk. This makes it a promising therapeutic approach, which we hope to see in human clinical trials soon. The body produces several million new sperm daily through a process called spermatogenesis, driven by retinoic acid, a product of vitamin A. Pulses of retinoic acid bind to receptors in sperm stem cells, triggering a complex genetic program that turns them into mature sperm. Salk scientists found that retinoic acid receptors must bind with a protein called SMRT, silencing mediator of retinoid and thyroid hormone receptors, to function. SMRT recruits HDACs, synchronizing the gene expression needed for sperm production. Previous attempts to stop sperm production by blocking retinoic acid or its receptor led to side effects due to retinoic acid's importance to multiple organ systems. Evans and his team instead targeted molecules downstream of retinoic acid for a more focused effect. Using genetically engineered mice with a mutated SMRT protein that couldn't bind to retinoic acid receptors, the researchers observed that these mice couldn't produce mature sperm, but had normal testosterone levels and mating behavior. They then treated normal mice with MS-275, an oral HDAC inhibitor, and successfully blocked sperm production without obvious side effects. Remarkably, within 60 days of stopping the treatment, the mice's fertility was completely restored and their offspring were healthy. The strategy of inhibiting molecules downstream of retinoic acid is key to this reversibility. The HDAC inhibitor disrupts the coordination of sperm-producing genes with retinoic acid pulses, halting sperm production. Once the drug is removed, the genes realign with retinoic acid, resuming sperm production. It's all about timing, says co-author Michael Downs, a senior staff scientist in Evans's lab. When we add the drug, the stem cells fall out of sync with the retinoic acid pulses, halting sperm production. Once the drug is removed, coordination is restored. The drug does not damage sperm stem cells or their genomic integrity. While the drug is present, the stem cells continue regenerating, and when the drug is removed, they can differentiate into mature sperm again. We weren't necessarily looking to develop male contraceptives when we discovered SMRT and generated this mouse line, says first author Seok-Hyun Hong, a staff researcher in Evans' lab. But when we saw that their fertility was interrupted, we followed the science and discovered a potential therapeutic. It's a great example of how Salk's foundational biological research can lead to major translational impact. Stay tuned for updates on this groundbreaking research and check out the links in the description for related products. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.